students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to discuss about the history of C language. So for each and everything there is one history, means from where it has came or it has developed. If we see history of C language, C is a programming language evolved or came from or derived from ABC. ABC means what? First is Algol, next is what? BCPL and B language, then after C language. Now let us see. Actually C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972 at AT and Bell Laboratories, at AT&T Bell Laboratories. Okay. Now, it was developed along with the Unix operating system. The time of development of C language, Unix operating system was developed at the same time. Now, it was strongly integrated with the Unix operating system. In 1983, ANSI means what? American National Standards Institute. ANSI means what? American National Standards Institute appointed a technical team for the development of C language, that we call it as ANSI C. If we see, in 1990, International Standards Organization adopted ANSI for the next upgrade of the C language. Now, what is Algol? Let us see with the next slide. Here you can see very neatly. These are the years, okay, and these are the names given at the time for the programming language. Means this is how C language as developed or upgraded. Okay. Here the scientist names or the committees names which worked for the development of the C language. Now, in 1960, Algol means what? It is used in the European countries, and it is designed for the development of what? Structured programming languages. For the development of what? Structured programming. For the development of structured programming languages. Okay, by international group. And in 1967, BCPL means what? Basic. Here I will write. BCPL means basic combined programming language. Basic combined programming language was developed by whom? Martin Reeches. He is the scientist who developed BCPL. Okay. See, after 3 years, that is in 1970, it is the flow for the development of what? A standardized structured programming language. Algol is a designed to develop structured programming language, right? So here step by step, year by year, the upgraded versions are coming now. If you see here, B language was developed in the 1970. These are not a different languages. These are the structured programming languages which are coming with upgraded versions, okay, with some additional features. So here in the 1970, B language was developed by whom? Ken Thompson. Is the scientist name. Okay. Next. In 1972, traditional C by whom? Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Laboratories. Where he developed? Dennis Ritchie developed C language in the year 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratories. Okay, this is a important point to note down. Everything is important, but we are dealing with what? C language. Now we came to the actual C language part, and it's not stopped there. After few years, that is in the year 1978, K and R means two scientists names, Kernighan and this is Dennis Ritchie, has published the first edition of C programming language. Okay, and in 1989, ANSI means we learned what American National Standards Institute. Okay, developed the same language that committee has developed in the 1989 year. Now, after few years, that is in 1990, ISO means what? Here, American National Standards Institute. Okay. Now, in the year 1990, this ISO means what? International Standards Organization Committee. This is what? This is the committee which is adapted ANSI. Okay. Then after 9 years, C99 is the latest version. Okay, which was introduced with the additional features with what? 1972 C language. But it is not worked at all. Why? Because before this only C++ has been introduced. So this is not worked at all. So we are using which C language here? Traditional C language by Dennis Ritchie in the year what? 1972. So this is all about the history of C language, how it has upgraded over years. Okay, and C is what? Which type of language? Here we have to note one point. C is which type of language? C is what? Structured programming language. This is an important point. Structured programming language. Okay. This is today's class. Thank you for the day. In the next class we will see basic structure of C programming language, which is very, very important to write a C program. In the next class we will see very clearly how to write a C program. That all are fundamentals. So watch all the videos regularly. Okay, thank you.